If water bowls keep adding mess and clutter, PetKit EverSweet Solo 2 is the compact, quiet default. Switch for bigger pets, tap lovers, or budgets. Choose for capacity, stream style, cleanup, and space. For most homes, buy the PetKit EverSweet Solo 2 if you want fountain cleaning to stay low drama. Its tank lifts off, the cordless pump helps simplify the setup, and the 5-piece layout keeps routine washing manageable. It's compact and very quiet, with app reminders for refills and cleaning. The catch is a 2-liter tank and scheduled reminders rather than automatic alerts. You'll also need your own USB wall adapter. Skip it for big dogs, several heavy drinkers, strong stream fans, or anyone avoiding apps. For large dogs or a busy pet household, buy the Pioneer Pet Big Max stainless steel drinking fountain. Its 3.78-liter open bowl gives several pets more room to drink, while the long power cord makes placement less restrictive. The main steel pieces can go in the dishwasher. The catch is the open reservoir can slosh when moved, and the plastic pump and filter housing still need hand washing. Skip it for tight spots, frequent moving, or a no-fuss pump assembly. For pets that keep heading to the sink, buy the Giotohun Cat Water Fountain. Its curved metal spout creates a faucet-like flow without making cleanup overly complicated, and it stays quiet while plugged in. You can choose a 2-liter or 3.2-liter version. The catch is its dark tank can hide residue, so washing needs a closer look. Skip it if you want a clearly distinct design or a light interior that makes buildup obvious. For a flexible budget setup, buy the Wonder Creature Cat Water Fountain. It gives smaller pets 3 water patterns to try, plus a dishwasher-safe steel top and a shallow dish they can share. That's useful when you don't know which flow your pet prefers. The catch is occasional motor buzz, while low water makes the falling stream louder. Skip it for noise-sensitive rooms, larger households, or instructions that need to explain every disassembly step. Quick setup map. Compact, everyday choice, PetKit. Bigger pets and shared drinking, Pioneer. Faucet fans, Giotohun. Lower cost flow options, Wonder Creature. Measure the fountain spot, confirm outlet reach, and match refill capacity to your pets. Make sure you can lift the reservoir comfortably to the sink. Start with the PetKit EverSweet Solo 2 if you're unsure. It's the sensible compact default. Move to Pioneer for bigger drinkers, Giotohun for faucet fans, or Wonder Creature to spend less. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.